Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Airdrop is Apple's wireless sharing feature for iPhone, iPad, and Mac devices. It requires Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to be turned on at both ends. Devices should be within 30 feet, which is 9 meters, and the receiving device's screen must be unlocked. Open Control Center to manage Airdrop. On iPhone, press and hold the network settings card, then tap Airdrop. Choose Contacts only to limit recipients, or Everyone, to allow any nearby sender temporarily. To send a file, open the photo, document, or web page you want to share. Tap the share icon, then choose the Airdrop tile that shows the recipient's name or device. If you see multiple devices, tap the correct one. The recipient will receive an accept or decline prompt and must tap accept to start the transfer. Transfers show a progress indicator and complete within seconds for small files like a 50 MB photo. Large files transfer faster when both devices use Wi-Fi. If Airdrop fails, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off and on again on both devices. Move the devices closer to within 30 feet and ensure personal hotspot is off on either device. Temporarily set Airdrop to Everyone if Contacts only fails, and remember to switch back afterward for better security. Restarting the devices or signing into iCloud can resolve persistent issues. Airdrop transfers are encrypted end-to-end, and the receiver must accept each transfer, which prevents
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.